Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Place the Series 9 face down on a soft cloth to protect the screen. Locate the two slim band release buttons on the case edges. Press and hold one button firmly. While holding, slide that band piece horizontally out of the slot, steady, not forceful, so the latch disengages smoothly. Once removed, repeat the same press and slide motion on the opposing side. This releases the old band cleanly and prepares both lugs for the new attachment. Now attach the replacement band. Align the metal or plastic rail of the new band with the watch slot groove. Orientation matters because some bands are direction-specific. Slide the bands straight into the slot until you feel or hear a soft click, which confirms the latch engaged. Repeat for the opposite side, making sure the curved or tapered band matches your wrist shape and the digital crown side is correct. Once both clicks register, give each side a gentle tug to verify. Finish by putting the watch on and adjusting the fit using the buckle, clasp, or loop so it's snug but comfortable. If a band piece refuses to click in, don't force it. Remove and inspect the rail and slot for dust or lint, then realign and try again. Once done, test stability with gentle tugs and wrist movement to ensure nothing shifts. If the band still won't seat or the release sticks, swap with a known good band or contact Apple support for a hardware check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.